Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make these lovely paper bracelets. To make the bracelet you will need 2 sheets of paper. You can use colored paper or paint them like this. I painted them with watercolors and I think it looks really nice. We're going to cut this into strips. 12 centimeters by 3 centimeters. You will need 16 to 20 strips depending on how big your hand is. I used 2 A4 size sheets. I've cut all these strips and now we have to fold them into pieces like this. Take a strip of paper, fold it in half. Now fold it in half again. Fold all the strips in the same way. We're going to make this into a bracelet. Take 2 pieces and put one inside the other. This part on top should be about the size of one of these pieces. Now fold the bottom in and up. Do the same on the other side. Stick this part down with a piece of tape or use a paper clip. Now we're going to continue the process. Put a piece through this loop. Fold the bottom in and up. This time, tuck this part into the pouch. I have got it long enough. Now we're going to end it. To end it, take the bottom part and put it through the loop. Push it all the way in. Fold this side into the pocket. Do the same for the inside. Fold this part in and tuck it into the pocket like this. Do the same thing inside. And the bracelet is ready. Don't make it too small because it has to go through your hand. I made a green and yellow one as well. Goodbye and thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video.